Welcome to this tutorial on comments in Python. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing the two types of comments in Python: single line and multiple line comments. A single line comment in Python starts with the hash symbol. Whatever follows the hash symbol is ignored by the Python interpreter and is treated as a comment. Only the line print Python is executed. Multiple line comments in Python are used to comment on multiple lines of code in a single go. There are two ways to write multiple line comments in Python. In Python, a multi-line comment begins with 3 quotes, either single quotes or double quotes. Thank you for watching. Like and comment. Don't forget to watch more, subscribe.